Hello friends, this is my new Pihot P60 smart drone with GPS. It has a portable suitcase included in, brushless motor, touch, and I don't know, they are not actually labeled. At the bottom we can see that there are the models and also these. I don't know what they are called. So now let's just open it. Inside will be the other information. So we have opened it. Here is the Pihot P60 drone itself. It has a Pihot logo on its back and it is a zip bag. So now we are opening like that. And now here's the remote. The remote is rechargeable. We can take out the battery like that. You can see that there's a rechargeable battery inside. And also a micro SD port here. So we can just put that remote back. And we can also place that back. So placing it back. Also one battery included, 2000 mAh battery. So the remote, the 2000 mAh battery. So here's the 2000 mAh battery, the remote, and the drone itself. And this weird thing you see which was not included in other drones is actually an option to place the obstacle avoidance module. Here is the module, and we can just open the flap like this, and we can put the obstacle avoidance module by the data cables. So the data cables are here, and we need to place it like other circuit connectors. So I'm placing it now. So now we can see that the obstacle avoidance module is connected. We can just put this part in like this. So now the obstacle avoidance sensor has placed. No, it's not placed properly. So now we will open the wings like this, which is a foldable drone. Now the wings are open. So now we place the battery in, and it will have a different sound. The drone is on. The gimbal also works. And now you can see that this drone doesn't work by flying it like this. The drone is not made for flying it like this. It's actually made for doing like this, but the GPS mode. But it's in the GPS mode. So I need to turn off the GPS mode to fly it without the phone. So now you can see that it's flying properly. And it will also stop. And it will also stop rotating if I'm not touching the remote for a long time. So I don't want to fly it. And I kept the remote away, and it will automatically stop like that. At the bottom there's two cameras. One is this camera. This camera has a different colored lens. The camera is a blue colored lens, and at the bottom is a red camera with a red colored lens. So now I'm checking the weight of the things. It back to check the weight. Here is a weighing scale that I showed in my previous video. Now I will first check the weight of the battery. The battery is 35.54 grams, and the full whole drone itself is, I think it's telling wrong. It's too big for the scale. Also this part doesn't matter much. And now here So like every other drone, it has 8 propellers. So it means if all the propellers broke at the same time, I can replace all 8 of them. It also includes 4 small screws for the propellers if the screw is damaged or the screw has. So the drone is also charged and the drone's remote is also charged. So I don't need to charge it. And just like every drone, the drone will have a red color indicator, and when the red color indicator turns off, the drone is completely charged. So here is the drone itself. We can see that the drone is foldable, and there was also a red light here. The drone's camera is also motor adjustable. It can be adjusted by the remote's buttons. And I don't know what are these 2 slots for. I think they are for placing guards, but they didn't include it. So there's this obstacle. Not place it. That doesn't matter much. You will see the keys of the remote. You will see the remote functions. So this 360 degree button we see here is for actually when we click on that button, the drone will rotate 360 degree. 360 degree. It will revolute around. So this is for the speed. So how fast the drone will go forward, backward, left or right or any direction. And now this is the button for calibration and also the compass calibration. This is for taking a photo or recording a video. This is the power on off button, and this is for turning the GPS mode on or off. So this is the return to home option. It will return to home via GPS. This is the camera down button, and this is the camera button, and this is for takeoff and landing. And these are the joysticks. So when we click on this, it turns off and turns off this. And also there is a phone holder for holding the phone like this. This is for the phone to rest in its position. And also some antennas for supporting the phone. I think so. This is now the user manual. This is for the phone. I mean the drone's app. So here we can see that all of the details we can see. You can pause the video to see the details. And the QR code for downloading the app. So I already know all the features. I will show it to fly. So I will show the drone by the phone. This is the drone's Wi-Fi, and by clicking on it, it will connect. No password. This is the app for it. The aircraft is matched. Now we can see the camera's quality. The camera's quality. You can see here. The blue lights look purple. This is the camera's quality. So this is the drone's quality, and also we can fly it with the virtual joystick. So these are the features. Reverse camera, you can reverse the camera. So now the camera is recording everything in reverse. This is the VR mode. Now it can be used in a VR headset. of the, it also tells the GPS if it is GPS range. It also tells the cameras, the drones range. Also tells the battery. So the battery is completely full now. Aircraft is normal. We can see here. Soft image. You can see here the features. Soft image. Delayed recording. Okay, let's see this. It will happen. I think the video is now not delaying. It also tells the height of the drone. So the GPS is, I think, turned off, so it will not tell the height. So I'm increasing the height of it and it's telling nothing. Also the effects, not much recommended, but this looks scary. Not much effects. Effects are no use in this. And also it can go to 100 meters. It can also follow. It has the PTZ control. The switch camera. Now it's the bottom camera. Camera is not enough good as the upper camera, so I'll just switch to that. What is this review? Oh yes, now we can see the photos. Fly record via mode and a virtual joystick. So I'm not turning it on now because the first thing it's folded. Actually go to the field. Here now we are going to first turn on the drone. And then connect it by the phone. So turn on the Wi-Fi. Now this, click on that, and it will not give internet, and it doesn't have a password. I should wait for some time for the GPS to enable. So the GPS is enabled. We can see that the aircraft is in the GPS flight mode. Now we are then going to unfold this. Turn on the remote, calibrate it properly, and also calibrate the compass. So, in order to calibrate the compass, we need to rotate faster to its camera like this. That is already done, so no. What? No, it must be not calibrated properly. So now first rotate the drone like this. And then rotate the drone like this. So now the drone is calibrated. Now I will set to video because I will record the whole thing and also make the video. So now we need a surface to fly, or a free surface like the ground. So we are going to fly in the ground. the camera can be turned down and up. Like that. When rotating the drone, even in wind. You can see it. You can see the top building in the camera. So now I'm going to return to home. First I'm taking it to a bit far more distance like that and making a obstacle maze for the GPS drone. So now 3, 2, 1 GPS return. So now the GPS is returning. You can see all the buildings there. You can see the buildings in. Now it should land at the location where I fly. So there's so now it's landing. Not so accurate, but it still came here. So it has GPS. So now instead of returning it to home by the remote, I will return it to I will see what the drone does if I turn off the remote. So I have turned off the remote. You can see the remote is off. And now it should automatically return. So now it's returning to home. Can see the drone there. Also it returns when the battery is low. So it's 5 meters. Also tells the height in the phone. Also tells the height. So the GPS, the app is lagging a bit. I'll just take it near so the app can show any response. I'll just take it a bit near. I will connect it again. The Wi-Fi automatically disconnects it. The drone is not connecting. What's happening? Huh? What just happened? Think should take it near. restart and try it again. It's connected. Now it should not lag. Why doesn't it detect if the drone is upside down? Now this time I will take it a bit more up. Take it to more height. You can see a lot of building. You can see the footage. I'm not flying it too high. So there is the. You can even see the building so top it is. I'm taking it down in case of anything bad happens. It's shaking. Why is it coming down so slow? And it's not actually slow. And also will return if the battery is low. It even also works. It even also stays balanced in wind. So I'm not going to click on the. So that there's no feature for obstacle avoidance. So it should now return to home because the battery is too low. Not returning to home? Is there any firmware update? See the drones camera. Taking it a bit near. So now I'm showing the gimbal up and down. So now you can see that the drone is completely discharged. The drone is connected. The phone is also connected. And the battery is completely low, 0%. I mean 1%. So when I do this, now you can see I'm doing it up, and it doesn't fly up. So the battery is discharged, and bye friends.